in Vietnam, it's the busy season, as people all around the city prepare for the biggest holiday around, the Lunar New Year, also called TET. Everywhere you look, preparations are being made for the celebration.
We are here in Chinatown in Ho Chi Minh City, Chợ Lớn, we call Big Market.
Francis Lee is our guide for our trip to Ho Chi Minh City. As a Washington agriculture representative, he knows that Washington fruit is a huge part of the holiday celebration.
When guests or relatives come to visit your home, you have full colors of fruits on the table, your house are decorated very red and lucky.
And so giving fruit as a gift is a tradition.
It's a very important tradition because when you visit the house, they will offer to the ancestor on the altar. They were full of colors of fruits.
And a lot of that comes from Washington State, right?
Exactly. That's why at this time of the year, we will see many apples are being shipped here, and also through the wholesale market and the wet market, they can get the fruits.
That's great. I love that our Washington fruit is helping people celebrate.
Yeah, there's the color of TET.
Exactly.
Next, Tomas and I took to the streets of the market to learn how to celebrate TET.
I mean, this is just amazing. The hustle, the bustle. Yeah,
A lot of red and gold and fun, glitzy kind of stuff.
Yeah, it's just vibrant and it's alive and there's just activity everywhere you look. And from what I understand, it's Year of the Cat here in Vietnam, but elsewhere it's something else, I think.
Year of the Rabbit.
You're the rabbit elsewhere.
Yeah. So it's the new year, but it's sort of like Christmas where there's lots of gifts exchanged and that sort of thing.
Yeah, so it's amazing that they fill these gift baskets with apples and pears and all of the things that, you know, we just eat every day, we take for granted, but here it's like a beautiful, beautiful gift to be given.
Oh, we're getting 5? Oh, okay. I think we just bought some cats.
Did you? I didn't. Bye.
Next, we were invited into a 350-year-old Chinese temple where prayers and blessings were being said for all the people celebrating the holiday.
So much just detail and ornateness and all the little pieces of the structure.
All the red and gold.
In the spirit of the season, Tomas and I wanted to add a blessing of our own for all the Washington farmers back home.
See, here it says Washington Grown.
Washington Grown 2023.
Which is so cool. So we're going to light this. I would like to wish all of our growers and farmers back in Washington State a prosperous season so that we continue supplying this lovely country of Vietnam with great Washington food. This is awesome.
Well, it's a very spiritual moment that we don't get to experience very often.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yay.